À ta santé.
À
la Zélande.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Prudhomme?
It's a very good wine to end a great day, a race of cycling from Utrecht to Zeeland. It was a great fight, one of the most powerful fights on the second day on the history of the Tour. 5 years ago, when we went through Zeeland, we had the idea of coming back with a finish.
Yeah.
The finish line is completely new in the history of the Tour. The wind was there and the champions were there. So yes, a great day.
You wanted wind. You got wind.
I love the wind.
And the sea.
And the sea. And yes, it was a great day. I'm very, very satisfied.
Bent u ook tevreden, meneer Dreux?
Dat kun je wel zeggen, zeker als je Christian Prudhomme hebt gehoord. En het is even spannend geweest toen het onweer was. Ik dacht, oei, nou rent alle publiek weg. Want het was toch wel beestenweer. Maar gelukkig klaarde het op, precies op tijd. En hadden de renners, ik denk ergens in de buurt van Rotterdam, dat slechte weer. Dus het was eigenlijk precies dat scenario wat we wilden. Ja, daar kun je alleen maar hartstikke tevreden mee zijn.
Willen jullie de Tour in de toekomst terughalen?
Ja, we want to have back the Tour once, maybe 2020. You never know.
Do you want to come back?
For holidays, for sure. After, I don't know. Yes, it's a great day. We have 250 bids for the stages of the Tour. So I don't know, but it's really a great day. And Zeeland is made for the race, for cycling races. The race versus the wind that existed in January, I believe, is perfect. That's a very, very good idea. I'm very jealous not to have had this idea. So for champions, for everybody, Zeeland is perfect for cycling. So yes, I just can encourage people to come in Zeeland for holidays.
Let's enjoy this day first.
And for wine, huh?
And then comes the future.